Degree of correlation. Change in two connected data series may be either in equal ratio or changing ratio. This situation can be measured through coefficient of correlation. This change may be either positive or negative. This coefficient of correlation may be in many degrees: perfect correlation, absence of correlation, and limited degree of correlation. First, perfect correlation. If the change of two data series takes place in the same direction in equal portion, there exists perfect positive correlation between them. Correlation in such case is +1. For example, amount of water bill increases in equal portion, definitely based on the increase of number of consumption units. On the opposite, if the change of values of two data series is in equal portion but in opposite direction, there exists perfect negative correlation between them. In such a case, coefficient of correlation is -1. For example, if decrease in price of a commodity by 10% leads to increase by 10% in its demand, it will be perfect negative correlation. It is difficult to find perfect positive or negative correlation in the present social and economic sense because many causes affects the same subject, and this effect is in different directions. Second, absence of correlation. If there exists no interdependence or there is no connection between the changes of two data series, there will be absence of correlation there. If coefficient of correlation of such series is calculated, it will become about 0. Third, limited degree of correlation. When there exists neither absence of correlation nor perfect correlation between two variables, there is some middle position. It is called limited degree of correlation. This may be either positive or negative, and the coefficient comes between 0 and 1. So this correlation is within limits. Limits of correlation are from 0 to 1 on both sides. Maximum positive correlation is +1 and maximum negative correlation is -1. Correlation based on limits can be of three types: high degree positive or negative correlation, moderate degree positive or negative correlation, low degree positive and negative correlation. First, high degree positive or negative correlation. If the degree of correlation between two data series is more than 0.75 or less than 1, it will be called high degree correlation. Moderate degree positive or negative correlation. If the degree of correlation is not too high or too low, more than 0.25 and less than 0.75, is called moderate degree of correlation. Low degree positive or negative correlation. If the degree of correlation between two data series is too low and the coefficient of correlation is between 0 to 0.25, it is called low degree of correlation. The table shows degree of correlation in brief, positive or negative. First, perfect correlation, +1 or -1. Second, very high degree of correlation, plus 0.9 or more, -0.9 or more, negative. High degree of correlation, plus 0.75 to plus 0.90, or minus 0.75 to 0.90. Moderate degree of correlation, plus 0.50 to plus 0.75, or minus 0.50 to minus 0.75. Low degree of correlation, plus 0.25 to plus 0.50, or minus 0.25 to minus 0.50. Very low degree of correlation, less than plus 0.25 or less than minus 0.25. Or last one, absence of correlation, 0. Positive or negative, both are 0.